Hello, welcome to my channel where I discuss easy zucchini recipes that are easy and time-saving. If you're looking for healthy and tasty zucchini recipes for you and your friends, you'll find them here. Zucchini is indeed a summer squash that belongs to the ground family. It started in Central America and has since spread throughout the world. This famous succulent vegetable grows in warm weather and damp, healthy soil. From planting to first harvest, the plant can grow to be 2.5 feet tall. Harvest zucchini fruits when they are 4 to 8 inches long for the finest flavor. Darker fruits typically have more nutrients. I would like to share with you the health benefits of incorporating zucchini in your daily meals. Because zucchini is so hydrating and rich in crucial nutrients, it's frequently suggested as a food for digestive problems. It's even been shown to provide anti-inflammatory protection in GI tract, which can aid in the treatment of IBS, leaky gut syndrome, and ulcers. Zucchini includes zeaxanthin and other chemicals that can help avoid oxidative stress. As a result, the probability of acquiring cancer might well be reduced. Furthermore, the fiber in zucchini helps to balance blood sugar, reducing spikes after meals. Diets high in fiber from fruits and vegetables, especially zucchini, have been associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes on multiple occasions. If you have any recipes you want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comments below. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make quick and delicious zucchini tater tots. Let's get right into it. If you're a tater tot fan and trying to lose weight, this recipe will come in handy. The Zucchini Tater Tots recipe is nearly texturally similar to potatoes. Because there is no fryer or grease in this dish, it's a guilt-free snack. You can eat as many of these healthy zucchini tater tots as you want. There are so many ways to incorporate zucchini to swap out carbs in many comfort recipes. And these healthy tater tots with zucchini are my new favorites. I love how easy they are to make without any hard-to-find ingredients and tools required. These zucchini tater tots are the ideal snack or appetizer for getting more veggies into your diet. They are baked rather than fried, and they are low-carb option for your sports party. They are quick and easy to create with only a few ingredients, and they can be prepared ahead of time. These zucchini tater tots are a healthier alternative to traditional tater tots. Traditional tater tots are deeply fried and made with potatoes, but these are baked and made with zucchini. Zucchini is high in nutrients. One medium zucchini provides more than half of your daily vitamin C requirements. To make the tots drool, just make sure to drain out as much water as possible from the zucchini. Because zucchini has high water content, this step is essential to keep the tots from becoming soggy. Here are my tips to make sure you get the best zucchini tater tots. Number 1. Wring. The trick to crispy zucchini tots is to wring them out and remove any excess water. It's the quickest and easiest way to ensure that your air-fried tots are crunchy. Remove as much moisture as possible. Number 2. As needed, adjust the mixture. If you're having difficulties molding the zucchini mixture into tots, add a few more breadcrumbs. This will help the mixture keep its shape and not crumble. Number 3. If you prefer not to use breadcrumbs, you can use gluten-free flour like buckwheat flour, coconut flour. Since I'm guessing you'll be making more than you can have in one sitting, this is how you can freeze zucchini tater tots. If you want to freeze them before cooking, lay them on a flat baking dish in the freezer for at least 4 hours. When frozen, place them in an air-tight bag. Thaw in the fridge overnight and cook per instructions. And if you want to freeze them after cooking, cool them completely and then store them in a freezer-safe airtight bag. To reheat, thaw in the fridge overnight and bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven until heated through. How much time does it take to cook zucchini tater tots? Prep time, 10 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Total time, 40 minutes. Ingredients you need: 3 potatoes, skin peeled and boiled, 2 green zucchini, grated, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1/4 cup cheddar cheese, grated, 1/2 cup whole wheat breadcrumbs, salt to taste. For best results, follow the recipe as it is. However, here are some common substitutes that would work well in this recipe. Instead of eggs, you can use a flax egg. Replace 1 egg with 1 tablespoon ground flax seed, plus 3 tablespoons water. Let the mixture sit for 8 to 10 minutes before incorporating it into the mixture. You can also use low-fat buttermilk. Instructions. Step 1. To begin cooking the Zucchini Tater Tots recipe, place the potatoes in a pressure cooker with 1/4 cup water and pressure cook for at least 4 whistles. Step 2. Peel the potatoes, mash them, and set them aside in a mixing basin. Step 3. Grate the zucchinis and set them aside. Heat a flat skillet over medium heat. Add the grated zucchinis and cook for at least 5 minutes or until the liquid has evaporated. Step 4. Once done, combine the zucchinis and mashed potatoes in a mixing dish and season with salt and pepper, dry red chili powder, oregano, thyme pepper powder, and salt to taste. Step 5. Mix in the shredded cheese until the Zucchini Tater Tots mixture comes together. Taste to see if you need to add any more seasonings. Step 6. Begin shaping them into little rectangular cutlets. Then uniformly sprinkle the Zucchini Tater Tots mixture with breadcrumbs and set them to pan fry. Step 7. Heat a flat skillet over medium heat and add the formed Zucchini Tater Tots. Drizzle a few drops of oil over the Zucchini Tater Tots mixture and pan fry until golden brown on both sides. Step 8. Remove the Zucchini Tater Tots from the pan. Drain the excess oil with paper towels and transfer to a serving plate. Serve hot. Here is also something that you can serve Zucchini Tater Tots. These tots are perfect to serve to a crowd if you're entertaining for the big game or throwing another party, or as an appetizer. They are perfect to serve with ketchup or any of your other favorite dips. Cottage cheese dip recipe with peppers and olives, and a vegetarian wrap with olives and cottage cheese. There you have it! Easy peasy baked Zucchini Tater Tots! Nothing helps me out more than you watching the entire video. So thank you for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe and if you want me to cover other zucchini recipes. I will see you next video. Here's to your healthy meal. Bon appétit!